animals, they have to eat other animals to live. And we call animals who eat other animals, it starts with a P. They're called predators. Can you say predators?
Predators.
Okay, so predators are animals that eat other animals in order to live. So I'm gonna think about like a snake. A snake will eat other animals in order to survive. Now, I wanna ask another question though. So if predators are the animals that eat other animals to survive, do we know what we call the animals that get eaten? I'll help you out, okay? The animals that are eaten by other animals are called prey. Can you say prey? Prey. Very good. Okay. So I'm thinking about certain types of prey that might get eaten. What kind of animal might get eaten by other animals? Go ahead.
I also see those footprints, and a mouse might be eaten by the buffalo.
Okay. A mouse might get eaten by other animals. They're very small creatures, right? So they might get eaten by other animals. Okay, so I want you to keep that in mind, how some animals eat other animals. We're gonna now read our story, okay? And I'm so excited to share the Gruffalo with you. Okay, here we go. A mouse took a stroll through the deep, dark wood. I'm going to have lunch with a Gruffalo. Okay, now I want to pause for just a minute. So, a fox is a predator because fox eat mice. So that means mouse is fox's prey. So if we're thinking about that, the fox hunts and eats mice. So what is the fox thinking when he's just asked mouse to come have lunch in his underground house? What do you think?
And eat him.
Do you think fox wants to eat the mouse?
Yeah.
He's asking him to come have lunch.
And tricking the
You think he's, oh, okay. Why do you think that made the fox run away?
Because he's scared for the buffalo to eat him.
Why do you think Al is flying away instead? Why might he be flying away? Oh, back here in the red shirt. Why is Al flying away?
Because he's scared he's gonna get put in an ice cream machine.
Oh no! The Gruffalo, because Mouse has said the Gruffalo's favorite food is Al ice cream. You're right, so he's out of there. What is Snake thinking? What is Snake thinking?
Him is thinking to eat the mouse with his other friend.
Oh, he is. He's inviting him to his house. I think he's thinking he's gonna eat him. How do we know that Mouse is knowing that Snake wants to eat him?
Because Mouse knows that snakes like to eat mouses.
Okay, Mouse knows that Snake is a predator, right? What do you think Mouse is feeling right now?
Scared.
Oh, a little scared. But look at little Mouse. Does he look scary?
No.
Thinking the Gruffalo's like, oh, he's not scary. Why did Snake slide away so quickly?
Because of the Gruffalo.
So is Snake scared of the Gruffalo?
Yeah.
Why is he scared of the Gruffalo?
Because Mouse said that his favorite food is scrambled snake.
Yes, and so now Snake sees the Gruffalo and he is running away. Very good. So earlier the Gruffalo was laughing at Mouse because Mouse said he was the scariest creature in the woods. And he was laughing because he was like, oh, he's not scary. He doesn't believe that. What is the Gruffalo thinking about Mouse now? Do you think?
He's the scariest.
Do you think the Gruffalo is maybe thinking maybe he is scary? Why would the Gruffalo think that maybe Mouse is the scariest creature in the woods?
Because everyone was scared when Mouse came over.
Oh, because all of the animals are running away. Who are the animals actually afraid of?
The gruffalo.
Yes. Okay, but does the gruffalo know that?
No.
Oh, okay. Now let's talk just a little bit about some things that happened in this story. There was a lot going on, right? Okay, let's go back to kind of these first few pages when Mouse was encountering all of these animals who happened to be his predator in the woods. We said that all these animals were his predator. Well, what was his reason for telling them all about this gruffalo? Go ahead.
Because the mouse knew that that the animals wanted to eat him, so he tricked them.
Okay, he was tricking them. Okay, so as he was describing this gruffalo, did Mouse believe in gruffalos?
No.
Didn't. So he was telling all these other animals about this terrible creature, but was he making that up?
Yeah.
And think about what he kept saying. He would say, doesn't he know there's no such thing as a gruffalo? His plan was working really well because all of the animals were running away from him. So his plan was working perfectly until when?
He actually saw a gruffalo.
He saw a real gruffalo. But remember, Mouse was making up that gruffalo. So did he know that the gruffalos were real?
No.
He didn't know. Oh my goodness. But then Mouse, he developed another plan. So he realized, oh my goodness, gruffalos are real creatures. And what was the gruffalo wanting to do?
Eat him.
He wanted to eat him, so Mouse had to think of another plan. What plan did Mouse come up with at that point?
To trick the gruffalo that all the other animals were scared of him. And then he said his favorite food was buffalo.
So he came up with another plan, and he yet again tricked the gruffalo. He tricked him just like he had his predators and had the gruffalo follow him. Here they came to all of the Mouse's predators. And what did those predators do?
Run away.
Run away. So Mouse has that wonderful plan. He's tricked him again. He says, well, now my tummy's starting to rumble, and my favorite food is gruffalo crumble. So what did that gruffalo do?
Run.
He ran away. What a fun story. Is the mouse pretty good at tricking others?
Yeah.
He's really good, isn't he? What a very wise mouse.